In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft crashing on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do if Minecraft keeps crashing on a PlayStation 5. If you notice this is a recurring thing with either Minecraft or every single game on your console, there are two main methods to help you address this. So first, what I recommend is that on the home screen, off the console after you completely close Minecraft Bedrock Edition, hover over the game, press the options button, and you should be able to find the option to check for updates. This is going to be the most straightforward way of checking for updates and downloading them if necessary. Usually, some updates can break the game, and afterwards there will be fixes released to address this. So by always keeping the game up to date, you will be able to be on the safest version available for it. So always check for updates. Now, if you open the game, you play for a while, and you notice that still this is happening again and Minecraft is crashing, or if you just want to do the additional methods alongside this one, the next thing that you can do is go over to the settings of your PlayStation 5 console, go over to users and accounts, and in there is going to be the other category at the left. When you go over to other, one of the options is going to be restore licenses. All that you have to do here is select this and give it some minutes or even just seconds to complete the process. It's going to restore the licenses for all of your games on the console, and once it is done, you can go ahead and try to play Minecraft or any other game that was giving you issues. Now, it should work flawlessly after checking for updates and managing the licenses. Now, if it still doesn't work, there are some additional things to talk about. First, check to see if your PlayStation 5 is overheating. Usually, even though you can identify this by yourself, if it is in an enclosed area or you put your hand near it and you feel way too much hot air, this isn't something that you will be able to fix by yourself. So it is recommended that you take it to the repair shop or to an expert, or you talk to the Sony support and they will be able to help you address this issue and clean the PlayStation 5 for you so it stops overheating. Besides this, you can try completely uninstalling Minecraft after you back up all of your world save data, and by opening it back up again, you should be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft crashing on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.